Hey guys, we're here and we're about to make some leftover quesadillas. We made a bunch of meat yesterday. Got that, cut it up into little pieces. And this is a good way to reuse.
They're open.
Why are they open? See, Alice pre-opened these fire hot sauce things and now. Anyway, so now it's a good way to reuse these Taco Bell hot sauce packets. The first thing we're gonna do is spray this thing with some oil, the oil spray. Get this thing nice and warm, and then we're gonna let it cook for a little bit. I know I'm Mexican, but I still burn my fingers, so I use these. So let it heat up for a little bit, and then gonna add some meat, some cheese, and then some hot sauce. Fold it, and then sear each side, I guess, or whatever you call it. I'm gonna wait a little bit till it pops up, starts coming up, and I'm gonna flip it, and then add the stuff. Alright, you see how this one's starting to bubble up? This one's ready to flip, and now I can start adding the meat and stuff. So I'm gonna add some cheese, mozzarella cheese. A little more because I like it cheesy for cheesy. Add some meat on there. Then add the flavor. Hot sauce. Okay. Flip it and kind of just squish it. Let that on there for a little bit. Take it to the other side. Another one. Filling everywhere. Do one side, guys. Look good, and the flavor. I mean, the hot sauce is optional, but shoot, what else am I gonna do with these leftover Taco Bell packets, huh? That's why, guys. That's why I just burned my hand. That's why I use these things. Look at the other side, look at that. Damn! Easy money. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Alright guys. So here's the other one. Check it out. Damn, Daniel. That's how I do it. So after that, come over here. And then we're gonna chop it up. Fire. So we chop it up, bam. Pieces. Bam. Let's do the taste test, guys. Check it out. I give this a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. It's delicious. Check it out. Try it yourself one day. We also do chicken, shrimp. Check it out. Try it. It's good. Remember, only the strong subscribe.